Hey, what's up, everybody? Okay, this is my engine. It's making a noise right in this area right here, and I wanted to demonstrate it, see if anybody had any idea, because I have an idea already. It's a cold start, and it's 78 degrees, so it's not that cold, right? But the engine is cold. It hadn't been run today. So I want you to hear JD and Alex. Yeah, this is for you. Tell me, what does this sound like to you? Hold on. That's the main demo part. That's the main demonstration part that I wanted to let you hear, because now it's going to get quieter. All that valve train noise, that's what I think it is. It sounds like lifters and bearings and rocker arms before they get oiled, and then once the oil starts to circulate, it sounds like the noise goes down. Is that what it sounds like to you? Does that sound like a bearing starting to mess up? Because it's not been like that. And this is with this sound cover on, right? Let me know. Please, if you can, let me know. I'm in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm not in Georgia.